Hello friends, today we'll talk about this oscilloscope. I built it myself. In fact, I received this in a kit form, and as you can see on this catalog, it came in all this parts form, all the capacitors and resistors, and this is a schematic diagram of the oscilloscope. Well, it's nice equipment we can use for electronic testing. This is consisted of walls and a couple of transistors. You can say it a hybrid circuit. As you can see, this screen showing graphs. Well, this is how it works, and depending on different measurements we can use it for. I hope you enjoy this video, and please subscribe my channel to encourage me to make more videos and show you people. Thanks for watching.